Hi friends, and this is our new video about the Instagram application where we will show you how to get the link of your Instagram account. So as an example, we have our HardReset.Info account on Instagram, and unfortunately there is no specific option on the Instagram app to copy the link of our account, so we will use the browser for it. I will choose the Safari as an example, and as you can see on the search bar, I say my name on Instagram and add the Instagram inscription later. Of course, you can also just go to the Instagram website on browser and use the search option later after setting your name on the website. We have the same options, no difference between them. Okay, so I will choose the first one, and as you can see, I have my profile here, which is on the first place. So let's click on it one time. Remember that you won't open your account on app, we just only need the website form, because we need to copy the link here at the search bar. So let's click on it one time and copy. So it will be the easiest and the most convenient way to copy your link. And of course, if you want to share your account in the QR code form, you can also, when you are on your profile page, tap on the three lines icon at the top of the screen. Later, let's go to the settings, or you can also pick on the QR code just on this bar. So you just can make a screenshot and show this QR code to send this QR code to your friends, show to everyone this screenshot. Okay, so guys, right now I hope that you know how to share your account using the QR code and also your link. Don't forget about likes, and also subscribe to our channel to find out even more cool tutorials and guides about the Instagram and other apps. Goodbye!